Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be comparing two eyebrow pencils. One of them is my NYX Micro Pro pencil, which I absolutely adore. I think it's a really close dupe to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. And I just found a new eyebrow pencil in the drugstore, which is from the Revolution Pro line, called Revolution Pro Microblading Effect Precision Eyebrow Pencil, and it looks like this. First complaint, it doesn't have any information on the eyebrow pencil itself. Unless you have the box, you have no idea what shade is it, and you have like no information about the products. NYX pencils retail for £8 in the UK, and they contain 0.09 gram product. I think the Anastasia Beverly Hills one is roughly the same. It has two ends, where one of them is the pencil itself. It's a really tiny head, and the other one is the spoolie where you can brush through your eyebrows with it. The Revolution Pro pencil retails for £4, which sounds really good. However, the Revolution Pro one contains 0.04 gram, which is less than half of the NYX pencil, and that kind of explains why the price is half. This is how they look next to each other. The head is almost exactly the same size. The spoolie, however, on the Revolution Pro one is significantly smaller. Let me just swatch them on my arm. So the shade I've got from the Revolution Pro line is the Ebony. This is the darkest shade in the line, which is really surprising because this is the color. I mean, I can't imagine anyone with dark eyebrows wearing this shade. They should bring out darker shades than this. Now, from the NYX line, the color I use is called Espresso. So as you can see, they're quite similar. My NYX one is still more ashy, and it's not the darkest shade in the range, whilst from the Revolution Pro line, this is your darkest shade. So to see how they perform, I'm gonna be using them one on each eye, and then we're gonna see if there's any like huge difference. The shades are quite similar, so I would expect them to look quite similar on my eyes as well. And yeah, let me just do both eyebrows, and I will get back to you and tell you what I think about them. This is the first impression of the Makeup Revolution one. I just opened the box, as you could see. So far, I'm really impressed. Like, I didn't expect it, but I think it's a little bit creamier than the NYX pencil, just enough to make it really smooth and easy to apply, and it is really nicely pigmented. I feel like it just went on so nice and so perfectly. I normally make mistake, and I normally need to clean up, and I normally need to go back and try again, because there are some places where the product just doesn't want to go on properly. I really like this. Okay, let me just put on the NYX side as well, so then we can compare if they look any different. Okay, so I'm sure you guys can see the difference It is warmer, but it looks nice. Like, I didn't expect it because I don't normally wear anything warm toned because I'm quite cool toned. Let me just add my Make Me Brow, then I will clean up a little bit around the eyebrows with some concealer. Okay, final thoughts. I really like this new one. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but in person it's just so much more perfect. It is half of the price. It is also half of the size. I'm gonna be definitely repurchasing this one in the future, and I'm gonna carry on using it. I really like it. It is really nice, and I'm really happy I tried it out now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below which one do you prefer. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.